Ados, and you like fintech here. You like a couple. You like these fintech names here. Why?
We have the top three that you mentioned: Hood, IBKR, and Coin. We do not own any of the others, but we believe, as you said, there's a change of guard. The next financial powerhouse will come out of Silicon Valley, not Wall Street, and we're seeing examples like Hood now went from 8 billion to 130 billion in 2 years. It's equal to UBS. It's equal to Capital One. It's 4 times State Street. Can you imagine that? It went up 1,345% in just 2 years, whereas other banks, such as Bank of America, only barely reached 100%, which is a fraction of what Hood did.
It's really absolutely remarkable, you know. And of course, like I think now with stable coins and the blockchain and things like that, they're so innovative. All these other banks are trying to catch up. Let's talk about App 11. Now, full disclosure, I had my subscribers take profits, I think it was a week ago. Yesterday, it got hit pretty good, right? It started, that candlestick that was down, that big red stick, getting a little bit of a bounce today. Let's talk. It was the #1 stock of all stocks last year.
Yes.
And it was killing it again this year. So it stands to reason from time to time it pulls back. You're still buying these on dips?
We are. I'm not going to say if we're buying today. First of all, this article that came yesterday came a few minutes before market close. It was a 2-sentence article that said the obvious, that there is an SEC investigation.
But we've known that for a long time.
We've all known that. And then it was algorithm trading that happened in the last minutes before market close. That's why you saw a big drop, because they trade on keywords such as SEC investigation. So that's what happened. Now today the analysts are analyzing the company. They probably figure it's a good entry point. If the statements are not correct, which the CEO refuted these statements in the past, then this is a good entry point. If not, obviously we will be the first to reverse our position. But so far it's a hold for us.
But the bottom line is you held, right? I mean, you were under some heat because you had 3 short recommendations in a row, right? These companies come out of left field. They say it's a short, it's a scam, and the stock got hammered at one point. You said, no, it's solid. You told people to hang in there, and it's a grand slam. So I want to bring up another name that you like here is Oracle. And, you know, this is something, speaking of just popping up, so just moments ago, this popped up. And instantaneously, the stock got hammered. Now, here's the thing. I know you say they're making money, but they're saying that they're renting out these NVIDIA chips, and they're getting razor-thin profit margins, razor-thin.
Yes.
Now, of course, the stock's made a huge move. Do you still like it? You think maybe this report is wrong?
We still like it. We have it as a hold right now. When it comes to AI, what we want to do, it's not going to be a one-horse race. We want to have a portfolio of winners, because what's going to happen is that the leadership will change very quickly and many times.
Right.
You can't really tell who will be the leader. So you want to have some of the infrastructure players such as Oracle or NVIDIA, AMD, and you also want to have the companies that apply AI, and these are the AppLovin, the SpaceX, the Teslas, the companies that use AI to expand their margins and grow their revenue.
Before you go, I know you've helped a lot of people, speaking of SpaceX, get access to SpaceX with your fund and some other names. And you've got a changing of the guard. OpenAI is now by far the most valuable private company. Are you able to get people in that one yet, or you're working on it?
So we're looking into our next